లైట్ వచ్చేస్తుంది.
Casey did, yeah. Casey was able to get it, yeah. Yeah, it's his favorite.
All right, boys and girls. Hey, welcome to Johnson's Farm. We got a big group here, so I need everybody's help. What do we first thing we do? What do we put in the ground? Seed. That's right. So a seed has actually 3 different parts to it. We only see the outside of the seed. That's called a seed coat. That's a hard shell, and that protects what's inside the plant, inside the seed. And inside it, and we don't necessarily need names because they're all going to be exactly the same. Inside that seed are 2 more parts. There's a baby plant. That baby plant is called an embryo. Can you guys say the word embryo? Oh, great job. And around that embryo is just a little bit of food to help it start growing, because until the seed is planted, that baby embryo is taking a little snooze. It's not doing anything. When it senses it's in the ground, gets moisture and warmth from the soil, it wakes up, starts to grow, and the very first thing it does, it will start to grow a root at the bottom of the seed cover, because a plant needs 4 different things to grow. Who can tell me one thing every plant needs? What? Well, let's see. What do you need to grow? Right here. Sunlight is 1. Water is 2. What's the third? We got sun and water. Yes. Yeah. Need what? Space. Well, it needs air. It needs air to grow. It needs space too. It needs air to grow. So we got air. We got water. We got sun. What's the last thing we need? Soil, because the soil has the food for the plant in it. Right. All right. So that's called sprouting. And now it can get the air and the sun. So it has all 4 things. It grows all these different parts of the plant. It grows more roots, grows a stalk, grows leaves, grows a fruit or a vegetable, might have a flower on it. But you know, the plant does a special thing. When it's growing, it's taking food and water from the soil, sunlight and air from the air, and it does a process with a big word called photosynthesis. Who can say that? Right, that's how it combines all those things, and it makes stalk and leaves and fruit, vegetables and flowers. All those things go together. All right.
అరే అట్రా ఇట్రా ఎక్కడ లెఫ్ట్ ఏ చూపించు నాకు. అరే రెడ్గా ఉండాలిరా, అది కాదు చూడు లోపల మంచిగా ఉన్నట్టు రెడ్గా. ఇది చూపించు. అరే అది ఒకటే తీసుకో. ఆ లోపల ఇంకోటి ఉంది మంచిగా, ఇంకా కిందకి ముందు 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 ఇదిగో లోపల ఇంకా ఇటు 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 సైడ్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఇక్కడ. fish. Oh, see. Red color.
All your strawberries, you put them on the corn, okay? You have a corn line?
Apple are. Wait, apple. Wait. Go. अरे आजे पटकोरा जल What is that?
Careful with your hands, buddy.
Catch that.
Come here, put your hands.